Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Notion useful. Start by identifying your main goals for using Notion. Are you tracking projects, managing personal tasks, or organizing notes? Once you know your purpose, build a simple, intuitive workspace. Begin with just a few main pages and use Notion's extensive template library to jumpstart your setup. This foundational step ensures your Notion space is immediately functional and tailored to your needs, saving you hours of initial setup. Notion's true power lies in its databases. Create dedicated databases for all your structured information, like projects, tasks, or even a reading list. Then, connect these databases using relations to build a robust, interconnected system. For example, link tasks to projects. This allows you to see all related information in one place, significantly enhancing your organizational capabilities and streamlining your workflows. Boost your productivity by automating repetitive tasks. Set up recurring tasks for daily or weekly routines, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Explore integrations with other popular tools through services like Zapier or Make, creating a seamless flow of information. For more advanced users, Notion's API offers endless possibilities for custom automations, allowing you to tailor the platform precisely to your unique workflow and save valuable time. Make Notion truly yours by customizing its appearance. Add icons and cover images to your pages and experiment with different layouts to enhance readability. Remember to regularly review and refine your workspace. A useful Notion setup evolves with you. For team collaboration, share specific pages or databases with appropriate permissions. These practices ensure your Notion remains a highly effective and personalized productivity hub.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.